pagkarinig ko, Mr. President? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I would like also to inform you, Mr. President, that kung namurong problema po kayo dun sa pamasahe po ninyo, pagpunta sa hearing na ito, I have told the chairman na pwede namang yung gobyerno ang mag-spend para sa inyo.
Salamat.
Under our rules, Mr. President.
That would be hindi naman great, but that would be saving. Tatlong pamalengke yan. Apat.
Yes, Mr. President. Totoo rin po ba yung pagkarinig ko kanina, Mr. President, that you would volunteer to go to the ICC and have yourself be investigated?
Yes, sir.
Provided funds will be...
Yes, sir.
Baka magkatotoo po yun, Mr. President. May magbibigay na pera eh.
Sir, mas mabuti yan siya makapasyal ako. Wala man talaga sila makuha sa akin.
Thank you, Mr. President. Now, pero doon sa statement po nyo kanina, I don't think you would want to volunteer simply because you wouldn't want persons who are qualified to judge you. Tama rin po ba yung pagkarinig ko?
No, I'm I'm a public official, sir. So, I am open to public scrutiny and public judgment.
New Oreo Budget Pack. Available in vanilla and chocolate.
Bisyado ako ng gobyerno.
Yes, Mr. President. Pero narinig ko po kanina na doon sa pagtatanong ng isang kasamahan ko na you wouldn't want to be judged by white persons. You would rather want to be judged by Filipinos, your fellow Filipinos.
Yes, sir. Hindi ko, when it comes to the dispensation of justice, I do not have the respect
Bakit dancer na may
and the whatever sa mga putik.
Ikaw mo na bakit dancer na may
We have rules look upon us that has not changed.
So yung man may guangon itong kay ligid-ligid may semento di ka lang hugaw.
That I be
Oo. Paspasan ra.
I be prosecuted by a Filipino, heard by a judge, sentenced, then I can appeal, and if it is affirmed, then I can go to the Supreme Court, and if the Supreme Court says that I go to jail, wala namang death penalty ngayon, I would willingly go to prison. Sir, basta Pilipino lang. Huwag lang foreigner. Ayaw ko yung putik, sir. May sentimento ako sa kanila.
Maraming salamat po. Would you agree with me, Mr. President, na lahat po ng sasabihin nyo tungkol sa isang issue o isang bagay, it becomes a policy statement of the country when you were the President?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and therefore, when you stated things about the war on drugs, don't you think it had encouraged our police force to be so aggressive in implementing the war against illegal drugs?
Sir, ang police natin, sir, hindi naman yung pinupulot sa daan eh. They are recruited and they undergo 2 years. And one of the subjects, lahat na, and criminal law, nagtuturo rin ako kasi to augment the income at that time sa pamilya ko, sir. Tinuturo namin ang lahat. At yung lahat ng mga ating police, sir, ay edukado na yan and well-versed on how to handle a police work. So, bago sila magsabi na binugbog ng police o gano'n, titignan mo muna, sir, kasi ang police, usually, hindi kagaya ng ibang civilian, kung may gulo, they can stay away. A policeman, whatever is there a quarrel or anumang gulo, has to go order and confront what's happening and to pacify and make an arrest if need be and bring them. And sometimes hindi mo madala yan, sir, basta-basta lang mahila mo, minsan lumalaban, kaya nabubugbog. Kaya pagkatapos niyan ang labas, ang pulis ang nabubugbog. Talagang yung mga lasing, hindi mo mahila yan sa mga restuhin. Walang pulis-pulis dito. Hindi pa ka ganun. Talagang mabugbog ka ng pulis. Tama naman. Because you have to overcome the resistance in order to make the arrest. Otherwise, pinutil ka na pulis.
Thank you, Mr. President. Yun pong, yung statement po ninyo na you take full legal responsibility for the acts of the members of the police force. I've heard that so many times.
Wala akong choice, sir. If you're a mayor, napakaduwak mo naman kung if you shy away from your responsibility because you're supposed to be giving the direction. Ang police po, nagtatrabaho lang yan. So ang police, pag sinabi mo, pumunta ka dyan sa mga lasinggero na yan, and always there is a resistance, a quarrel, eventually there will be a confrontation. At hindi natin maiwasan, sir, ang kaso. Kaya ako naawa, kaya alam mo noon, sir, pag ang police nagpailan ng kaso, on that day, wala nang sweldo. Suspended na ang sweldo. Pati yung mga anak. Kaya ako, pro-police talaga.
Maraming salamat.
Fiscal ako, pro-police talaga ako.
Yung pong statement nyo kasi, itinuturo rin doon sa academy under the principle of command responsibility. A leader or a commander is supposed to be responsible for what his people will do, would fail to do. Yun. Basically, it's basically the same doon sa sinasabi.
Also, to what they have learned from you.
Yes, yes, yun po yung one. Tinuturo din po sa amin sa academy na kung ganun po ang sabi ng commander, the commander is responsible, pero ang responsibility lang niya for those legal acts to be committed by the members of his unit. Hindi kagaya po ng sinasabi na yun, nakikita po natin nangyayari, meron kayong policy statement regarding the war on drugs, tapos hindi naman po nila in-implement yung tama. Why? Because according to our investigations, they have committed crimes in order to fulfill their mandate.